Find features that distinguish it from other brands for KAFEEK Elastic Stretch Steering Wheel Cover, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Suitable for all middle-size steering wheels with diameter 14.5 inch to 15 inch, 37 to 39 cm. Made of durable microfiber breathable ice silk, bring you a great touch and feel. Warm in winter and cool in summer. Healthy and eco-friendly. Sweat-proof and anti-skidding, stable, heat-resistant. A better grip on the steering wheel gives you more control on the road. Perfect decor for your car, also protect your steering wheel. Easy to install. Because of the elastic stretch rubber band, any adult can easily install this steering wheel cover, no tools required. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.